welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be taking you through what I eat in a day video, which was ages ago since I did here on YouTube. So I really hope that you will appreciate this video. And once again, as I mentioned in my last video, my what I eat in a day videos, they are just simply food inspiration. We all know by now that we can eat exactly the same and train exactly the same, but we will still look different. Something really important to remind ourselves of. Gonna prepare my breakfast. I have something new that I haven't showed you here on YouTube. I have been showing you in nowadays you do what I eat in a day videos as reels. I am obsessed, you guys. This it feels like waking up to a hotel breakfast every single day. Damn, it's good. I am also today sharing my shape of the day, or my current shape. My body responded so very well to surplus calories. And I really, like, I can see a lot of results on my body, which is, you know, you feel like on top of everything when you can see the results of the hard work that you have put down. And again, I just wish that I could go back a few years and tell myself to trust the surplus calories. And yeah, it has given me so much. As you know, I don't weigh myself, as the scale, I don't like to weigh myself, and I don't give a about weighing myself and what my weight is. I just want to feel good in my body, and I do. So but now I'm actually not gonna increase more surplus calories. I will just try to maintain as it is right now, because now I feel really good. So that's my plan. The only thing you need is 5 ingredients. It's one of the best I've ever tried, and to be vegan as well. And then I have some oat milk. You can use normal milk if you like, baking powder, 1 egg, and instant oats. This is like a powder, so that's why it all goes really good together. Obviously you need some kind of waffle iron if you want to do waffles, but you can also like mix everything and just do a big pancake of it. Also really yummy. This recipe is from the New app, so try it out. Otherwise you have it also in the description below. I think I have tan all over my shirt. And then we have the ESN protein, but it has like small crunchy chocolate pieces in it. Come on. Whole house smells like waffles. 1 egg, a little bit of baking powder, 150 grams or milliliters of milk. Mixture now looks like this. Really creamy and just really simple to mix together. It's done. Look how yummy. Recipe in the New app. You need to try it out, or in the description below. Me and Robin, we're gonna go grocery shopping. We need to complete the fridge with a little bit of groceries, as it is Friday, and it's nice to have at home. I just got myself ready. I'm doing all casual today, just a black tee, a pair of denim jeans, really cute detail, and just a pair of sneakers, and my bucket hats. Really simple, but really nice. Let's go. I just wanted to show you, since the last video of our garden update, this happened. I am really happy about this result, you guys. I worked my ass off. I'm actually not training today, as I didn't feel 100% this morning. So I decided to just take a rest day and listen to my body, which is the best way to go. I know it's really hard, and I've been there as well, where I still am from time to time, where you battle with yourself if you're gonna train or if you're gonna stay at home and rest instead. I know the battle, and I know how hard it is, but please listen to your body. It's always the best. Even though I have my rest days, I still eat the same amount of calories during my rest days as I do on the days I am training, because when you are resting, your body is recovering from the work that you did earlier, and in my case like 2 days ago. So my body is still processing the workout that I did 2 days ago, which means that it still needs the food to be able to grow stronger. So it is really important that you eat during your rest days as well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and hopefully I will be back hopefully really soon, but we'll see. I'm not gonna stress it. I don't train a lot at home nowadays. I don't know why. Like last year I trained so much at home, but I think I just got tired of being home, and then after Corona and everything, and I really appreciate coming out of the house, as I have my office at home and I spend a lot of time at home. I enjoy leaving the house as well, and I'm not in the city, like hanging in the city, drinking coffee and stuff like that. It's just not what I do. I am gonna prepare my lunch, and the time is running away, so I need to. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna do a salsa, like a mango salsa. So I'm gonna use 1 mango, a half red onion, some chili, and some lime juice, and mix this together to a mango salsa. Oh, and coriander. Coriander, really important ingredient. The salsa is done. If you haven't tried this, do. It's so easy, and it's a nice add to whatever food you're eating, honestly. This will be my lunch for today. I have a tortilla bread, creme fraiche. This one is with pepper and chili, which makes it a little bit spicy. And then I have a lot of greens under this, and then I had some I had some leftovers from another like chicken mince that I had in the fridge. So I took that and I placed as my protein. And yeah, this will be my lunch. Like, splitting out your meals during a whole day is not only good for your metabolism, but it can also help if you have a sweet tooth. Like, I believe that eating like per 3rd or 4th hour to keep your metabolism going in your body is the best way, and you don't go around feeling hungry. So good. Recipe in the description below. You have to try this smoothie, and obviously he likes it as well. Sometimes I also mix down baby spinach to get the greens for him, and even if it's green or if it looks like this, he loves it. So a tip to all my moms. Anyway, he goes to sleep at like 7, 8, depends, and sometimes we eat dinner together and sometimes we don't. So Robin will be home later today. I'm gonna put him to bed now, and then I'm gonna just sit down and eat my dinner. I don't care if I eat it by myself, I just want some alone time. I love being with him, but you know, sometimes you just need a little break. And I know he's tired, but yeah, he's just all over right now. This is the last energy before before bedtime. So I'm gonna put him to sleep, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Robin is home any second, and before he went to his paddle, he prepared a big chicken mince sauce. So all I needed to do was to boil some spaghetti, which I did. I've been slacking with my greens lately. Like, I always eat my greens, but I don't know what it is. I need to add it to my food again because it is important. I didn't have any broccoli today, so I did a salad. I will show you in just a second. You just love it when a plate looks like this. If you want the recipe on the chicken mince pasta, this is exactly the same as I posted on Instagram a few days ago. So try out the recipe. You have it in the ONU app as well. I'm using chicken mince, but you can use beef as well. This is what I will be eating. If you haven't tried a white vinegar on your salad, it is a must. Gives it so much flavor. Try it out. The question you might be asking yourself now is, where is the ketchup? Listen, I know if there's anyone who is from Italy, I know you hate ketchup, but here in Sweden and in Scandinavia, at least Sweden, ketchup is a must. And I've been growing up with ketchup my whole life. And I need this. I'm obsessed. There you have it. That's the hard truth. I need it in my life. I don't really know what's going on with the lights. And right now I don't care. I'm sorry. I am tired. It's really late. I always say to myself that I'm gonna go to bed earlier, but I never do. All parents watching this, they know the decision to go to bed, get your sleep, or stay up a little late to get just a little bit of alone time when there's no work, there's no people, there's no calls, there's no messages. It's just you and Robin. But in my case, I just like to be alone in the evening. And then I end up with going to bed too late. I want to have more hours of like a whole day. I'm not gonna complain at all, but I need to go up early tomorrow. I'm gonna finish up this video and say thank you so much for watching, as always. I love that you wanted to see more what I eat in a day videos and that you support them and that you know what I stand for when I do these what I eat in a day videos, food inspiration videos. And I really hope that you want to try out some of like the meals that I did today. Other than that, you know, we have loads of recipes in the ONU app. See you in my next video. Have an awesome day. Good night. Bye.